Transform your holiday projects with 103 festive vintage Christmas digital scrapbook designs. Looking to add a touch of nostalgic charm to your holiday projects? Introducing the Vintage Christmas Digital Scrapbook Paper Collection, a beautiful set of 103 stunning designs perfect for all your creative holiday needs. You can download all 103 digital patterns through the link in the description below. From classic Christmas colors to timeless patterns, these high-quality 12 by 12-inch papers capture the magic of a traditional Christmas. Each design is crafted at a high-resolution 300 dpi, so your prints will come out crisp and vibrant every time. Use these versatile papers for so many holiday projects. They're perfect for creating festive invitations, holiday scrapbooks, charming web backgrounds, and more. The collection's vintage style makes it easy to add that warm, nostalgic feel to every creation. The Vintage Christmas Digital Scrapbook Paper Collection includes 16 unique designs available in both JPEG and PDF formats. Each file is 12 inches by 12 inches, that's 3,600 by 3,600 pixels, giving you plenty of room to customize and work with. Simply download the zip file, unzip, and you're ready to start creating. Both JPEG and PDF formats are included, making it easy to work with any project style. Here are several ways to use digital scrapbook papers for the holidays, along with creative project ideas. 1. Holiday cards and invitations. Make custom holiday cards for friends and family by printing out digital papers as the background. Layer on photos, stickers, or messages to personalize each card. Holiday party invitations can be designed by combining vintage scrapbook paper backgrounds with festive fonts and clip art, adding a nostalgic touch. 2. Gift wrapping and tags. Use the digital papers to print custom gift wrap for smaller presents. Their unique patterns make any gift stand out. Create gift tags by cutting out small shapes or labels from the printed scrapbook paper, then adding names and embellishments. 3. Ornaments and decor. Make paper ornaments by folding and cutting the printed designs into stars, hearts, or other holiday shapes. Hang them with ribbon for a vintage tree. For DIY table decor, print the papers to create placemats, coasters, or table runners with a cohesive vintage holiday theme. 4. Holiday scrapbook albums. Document your holiday memories in a scrapbook using these digital papers as beautiful backgrounds for each page. Add your own photos, captions, and embellishments on top of the papers for a unique memory book that feels like stepping back into a classic Christmas scene. 5. Framed wall art and signs. Print out festive designs to create vintage-style holiday wall art. Use frames in different sizes to make a gallery wall of Christmas-themed prints. Add phrases like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays to your chosen designs, making them look like retro holiday signs for your entryway or living room. 6. DIY Advent calendars. Use the papers to craft a custom Advent calendar with a vintage twist. Print and cut designs into small envelopes or pockets, and number each one for a daily surprise in December. You could also create small favor bags or boxes decorated with the papers, adding little treats or notes for each day. 7. Holiday-themed junk journals. Junk journals are popular for holiday memory keeping, and the vintage scrapbook paper adds a cohesive, nostalgic style. Print designs to use as pages, pockets, or tags in a journal. Add ticket stubs, holiday cards, or recipes to create a layered and personal Christmas journal. 8. Gift basket liners and fillers. Line holiday gift baskets with printed scrapbook paper to add color and a vintage look. It's a small touch that can elevate the entire presentation. Add a piece to the bottom of a holiday tin or basket, filling it with cookies, homemade treats, or small gifts for a polished look. 9. Holiday-themed digital projects. These designs are great for digital holiday cards or EVs too. Use them as backgrounds or overlays on digital platforms, including social media posts. Create digital photo albums or slideshows with the papers as backgrounds, adding a nostalgic, cohesive theme to all your holiday photos. 10. Printable holiday crafts for kids. Print and cut the designs into fun shapes, like ornaments, snowflakes, or Christmas trees, and let kids decorate or make collages. Create holiday coloring pages by printing the papers lightly, so kids can color in vintage designs. Digital scrapbook papers make it simple to create unique, heartfelt holiday crafts that everyone can enjoy. Get your vintage Christmas digital scrapbook paper collection today and make this holiday season one to remember. Check out the link in the description to start creating your holiday magic. Happy crafting, and may your holidays be merry and bright.